Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gaming chairs under 200 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ergoseat Rolling Racing PC Executive Gaming Chair. The lumbar pillow and the adjustable headrest of this gaming chair from Ergoseat change their position according to your preferences. It protects the lumbar and cervical spine health and relieves fatigue by promoting a comfortable position for seating. The inner cotton of the product offers a soothing experience to the user. It comes with breathable leather that makes them abrasion-resistant and user-friendly. These high-quality materials help the user to remain comfortable even after long gaming or working hours. This gaming chair is simple and easy for putting together with the step-by-step instructions and the included tools. The maximum user weight capacity of this chair is up to 250 pounds and is perfect for any office and home use. The reclining system and the adjustable seat height include a locking system to secure the chair back at any angle down up to 120 degrees. The 360 degrees of swiveling rotation with the mute wheels does not deliver any scratch to the floor and moves smoothly and quietly. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Smugdesk Ergonomic Reclining Gaming Chair. This gaming chair from Smugdesk includes a lumbar pillow and headrest that can take off all the pressure from your lumbar and neck. The lumbar supporting pillow is one of the most significant accessories for those who work from home to increase their comfort while working for extended hours at the desk. You can retract the footrest from under the seat and push it while playing games or doing the work. The lumbar cushion of this recliner comes with adjustable straps for tightly securing the user. You can manage the chair in 4 different types of shapes starting from 90 to 150 degrees, making it perfect for working, gaming, napping, or watching movies in a marathon. The user can manage the reclining angle by pulling up the handle right next to the right according to their requirement. At number 3, we have the Soontrans Rocking PC Gaming Chair. This gaming chair from Soontrans includes manageable functions and a foam sponge of high-density mold shape for allowing a comfortable experience to the user. The POO waterproof leather offers enhanced support and durability for extended use. It comes with an additional pillow that you can use as a headrest, footrest, or lumbar pillow. The 90 to 175 degrees reclining mechanism, lumbar cushion, and 3 inches adjustable height offer all-day support for the upper shoulder, waist, and neck during long working hours or gaming sessions. The wheels come with 360 degrees of swiveling rotation to avoid scratches on the floor and move in the space with no difficulty. It includes 30 days of free returning policy from the company if you are not satisfied after using it for a few days. The chair also comes with 1 year of warranty with a guarantee of replacing the parts if there is any defect in it. The maximum user weight capacity of this gaming chair is up to 300 pounds. At number 2, we have the Warriors Ergonomic Reclining Racing Computer Gaming Chair. It is one of the best-in-class gaming chairs, which include the load capacity of 330 pounds. This model has a strong metal design, which is meant for promoting a convenient seated position. Thus, you can be ensured that this chair will keep you comfortable for several hours. This racing gaming chair has thick padded backing and seats, which make it a suitable choice for relaxation. Users take interest in this gaming chair due to the presence of 360-degree swivel and smooth racing caster wheels, 20-degree controllable rocking, 90 to 180-degree recycling for reading, gaming, working, adjustable seat and armrest, lumbar pillow and head pillow. Users love to opt for this model due to the presence of fabric upholstery and smooth PU leather. The thick padded seat cushion of this model is composed of high-density foam. The nylon smooth rolling casters and heavy-duty chair base facilitate great mobility and stability. It can carry weight up to 350 pounds. This gaming chair is available in 8 different colors. And finally at number 1, we have the Homekoko PC gaming chair. This gaming chair has won the heart of the potential buyers with the thick cushion and unique appearance so that you can enjoy maximum comfort. It is winning the heart of the end users as it comes with the prerequisite hardware as well as necessary tools. Apart from this office chair includes commercial-grade components. Again, it supports the weight of 300 pounds. Setting this unit becomes a breeze as you follow the instructions. You will be surprised to know that it is possible to assemble this unit within the duration of 10 to 20 minutes. This ergonomic racing chair is composed of premium breathable PU leather along with freely adjustable lumbar support. Moreover, this model is inclusive of a headrest pillow which provides protection to the neck and spine. With a secure 90 to 155 degree, you will be able to lock the model in either position. The potential audience also falls in love with this unit due to the human-oriented ergonomic construction, which adds to the longevity of the product. It features the heavy-duty metal base, which is known to pass the BIFMA. This gaming chair stands in limelight due to the presence of the nylon smooth rolling casters and 360-degree swivel, which assure extensive mobility and stability. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.